Hello everyone, in this video we are going to make some basic gripper control using the pyrobotiqgripper Python package. So let's get started. So let's run Python. So we are going to import the pyrobotiqgripper library as a queue, and we will create a gripper connection. So I have the gripper connected to the USB ports of my PC. So let's run this. So the gripper have been detected on port COM8. So now we are going to make some basic gripper controls. So you can first activate the gripper. First thing to do, okay, you can close the gripper. You can open the gripper. You can close the gripper, but with a different speed. Let's say 100. You can also do the same when you open. Let's open at very slow speed, 0. And you can also change the force. So for example, I can close at a speed of 150 and a force of 200. Okay, so this is for the grip open and close. So now there is also the move command. So you can ask the gripper to move at a certain position, let's say 100 or maybe 200. Okay. You can also say to go to a certain position at a certain speed. So let's say we go to the position 100 at speed 0 and maybe a force of 200. So then you can retrieve the status of the gripper. So you can get the position. So the gripper is currently at the position 100. You can get you can print the status of the gripper. So it say what are the different status registers, value, and what it means. So you see, for example, there is no object detected, activation is done, the gripper is started, it's requested to go to the requested position. There is a minor fault here. It's just that the gripper did not get any communication for the last 1 second. So everything looks fine. So you can let's just clear this. Okay. So then let's make a demonstration, for example, of a grip detection. So we are going to close at a slow speed, slow force to an object. So let's do that. Okay. So now I will print the status of the object detection. So I can do print object detection. So it says that the finger are stopped due to a contact while closing before requesting position. So this is like the human readable stages of the object detection. You can actually retrieve the exact corresponding register value of that. So if you do a grip dot object detection, so you are going to get the actual value, which is 2. So this is the value that corresponds to such detection. So yeah, so you can retrieve the object detection and the position. I will print the status again. Okay, so you see all the status. Let's clear that. Okay, so then there is one thing. So we, if, until now, we control the gripper position using byte command, the position coded in byte. But we will now control the gripper in millimeter. So to do that, we need to calibrate the gripper. So we use the calibrate millimeter command. So we need to enter the let's have a look at the help of this one. So the help is convenient to know what are the different parameters you can pass to a function, understand how it works. So let's display the help for the calibrate millimeter. So I need to give as arguments the space between the finger in millimeter when the gripper is closed and the space between the finger when the gripper is open. So let's do that. So calibrate millimeter. So when it's closed, it's 0 and for this gripper, and when it's open, it's 85. So the gripper close to calibrate. So now it's calibrated. So I can control the gripper using the move millimeter command. So I can ask, for example, to move with a space between the finger of 1 centimeter. I can ask for 50 millimeter. I can also ask for a specific speed, like let's say 3 centimeter opening, and we go at slow speed, slow force. That's it. And also when the gripper is calibrated in millimeter, so you can retrieve the position in millimeter. So actually the position between the fingers is 30.2 millimeter. So yeah, that's basically the basic control of the gripper. So you can open, close, and move the gripper to a position in byte or in millimeter, and you can retrieve the position in byte or in millimeter. You can retrieve also the object detection, and you can print the complete status of the gripper. There is for the status, you can also retrieve it as a dictionary. So if you say grip status like this, it will return a dictionary. So you can retrieve all values. So for example, we can get the G object register value. So this is the current object detection status. So it's 3. So actually we can also retrieve it with the object detection function. Oh, sorry, wrong spelling. So let's correct that. Grip object detection 3. So you see it's the same. It's possible also to see what are the latest gripper command and the latest gripper status retrieval. So if you type gripper command history, so this will return a pandas table with all the latest status retrieved from the gripper. Actually, sorry, so this is the latest gripper command that have been sent. And so we can do the same with the status. So you can ask the status history. And here you have the results of all the latest status retrieval. There is also a command to regroup all those history. So you can have an history that regroup all the status retrieval history and all the command execution history. So it kind of merged the two table. So here is the table. So you have on each line both the command and the associated gripper status. So you can play with that. It could be possible to make a graph with the latest command history or the latest status history. So there is things that can be done with that. So there is possibility also to know, for example, if the gripper have been activated. So we say yes, it's activate. We can ask if the gripper is started. Yes, it started. You can ask if the gripper is calibrated in millimeter. I'm not sure about the spelling. Yes, so it's true. It's millimeter calibrated, so I can control the gripper in millimeter. So yeah, that's it for the basic gripper control, and you can find more information in the documentation.